Hello? Are we live? Are we there? Are we in? I don't hear anything.
No, it's not yet. There, 5 viewers now. There, they're coming in. Good luck. 27 viewers. Ayan na.
How do I see the comments? Ayan.
You can respond like via voice.
Amazing morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Can you thumbs up if you can hear me? Naririnig niyo ako? Hello? Can you thumbs up if you can hear me? I can't hear anything here at all. Nothing.
You're not gonna be able to hear anything. You're the one.
Should I turn it off? No, I can't hear myself. Ah, yes, you can hear me? Yes, loud and clear. Awesome. Okay, so we can start. Amazing morning, everyone. Tonight we're going to do a little bit of a discussion about our Amazing White. I am Amazing White glutathione. Hang on 1 minute. Lexi? Lex?
Yeah.
I need the bottle. It's there. Amazing White. Thank you. Okay, so this is our product and this is what we're going to talk about. So there's Lexi. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so ito po ang pag-uusapan natin tonight. This is our latest product from New Zealand. So, I'll just read a little bit of what it's about. And then, if you have questions later, let me know. Okay? I'm not aware of the price point of our product in the market as I focus more on the supply rather than the distribution. So, I don't know if after my talk we're going to have somebody to talk about the networking side of the product or not. But I will focus only on what is in our product para pag nagbebenta kayo, mas madali for you to explain kung ano yung laman. By the way, yung babasahin ko tonight na description ng product natin, gagawin din namin into an animation. Kung nagpa-follow kayo ng IG ko, which is maritoni.fernandez, makikita nyo na nag-VO kahapon si Lexi for our animation. So, malapit na lalabas yun for this product. So, you can look forward to that. Okay? So, right. A lot of people ask me what's the difference between our glutathione beauty vitamins and yung mga nasa market na already right now. The main difference is that our Amazing White doesn't contain just glutathione. It contains other things that were actually combined specifically by the pharmacists in New Zealand para maging more effective yung product natin kaysa yung pag-glutathione lang. Kasi pag glutathione lang siya, a lot of it is expelled by your body kasi hindi naman siya na-absorb ng tama unless you have certain other supplements in your system that will allow you to absorb it properly to the maximum level. Thumbs up na lang, guys. Hindi ko kayo marinig. Wala ko marinig at all. Okay, so hello to everybody. I saw a minute ago that there's some people from the UK watching. Welcome. It's right now we have 293 viewers and 327 comments already. Mas marami tayong comments than we do have people watching. So maybe I will just leave. I will wait another few minutes. Chat nyo lang, chat muna tayo. Let me know. Mag-greet lang ako sa mga online na and give chance tayo sa mga ibang wala pa. Watching from Italy, Jarlin, Piamonte. Um, amazing morning. Hello, Tita Ton. EJ, hi, Nak. Um, amazing morning. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Okay, we're 3:27 already. We'll give a few more minutes. Watching from Riyadh. Hi, Joy. Um, amazing morning po. Watching from Brescia, Italy. Nice. Wow. Kuwait. Hello, Daisy. France. Hello. Wow, we have so many people. Okay. 3:51. Watching from Taguig. Watching from Baguio. Watching from New Zealand. Ayan, our product is from New Zealand. So, hello. Um, Krish, hi na. Hello. From Pampanga. Nice. At least, you know, a lot of people are watching. So, we'll keep it coming. We'll give them a few more minutes para makaano. Kasi once I start, um, it's short lang. This is very short. This is actually only 3 pages long. And then, amazing morning, John. John Henry. Watching from Dubai. Hello. Eastern Samar. Wow. Daming taga Dubai ah. Hi guys. If you notice, wow, we have from Louisiana, USA. Hello. If you notice, bawal mag-post sa FB ng may word na glutathione. So you have to be a little bit creative when you post so that hindi tayo nabablock. Actually, na-try ko, na-block ako, and then I got another warning. Yung pala, bawal talaga yung mga ganun. Siguro kasi yung, di ba may movement sa states na yung Black Lives Matter, eh siguro inaantay nila pagka-whitening. I don't know. But anyway, just be creative so that hindi ma-block yung mga pinopost ninyo. Sa office, talagang tinanggal na nila, bin-lock out na nila para ma-post natin, tinatanggal lang yung yung word na glutathione yata or yung word na advanced whitening. So, anyway, there's plenty ways to describe our product. I think that we have a current ongoing contest, di ba, for that specific thing. So, I hope some of you can come up with some exciting ways to promote our amazing white. Ilan na tayo? 439. Sige, I'll wait until we reach mga 800 siguro. And then we'll start. It's going to be short and sweet today, but I'm going to start doing these product knowledge seminars twice a month. So if you can invite people to watch, it's better. Better for everyone to know what they're selling kasi it makes it easier for you to sell pag alam niyo kung ano yung binibenta niyo, di ba? Okay, so sino pa ba? Hi Edna. Hi Shirley. Okay, we have people from, wow, dami na. Daming natatag. Okay, keep tagging your friends para they'll be watching. I'll give you time so that you can invite more people to watch. Kasi once nag-start, mabilis lang to. Okay, we're at 477, guys. Watching from Canada. Hello, Marlene. Marlene Tuason from Ormoc. Hi, from Japan. Hello, everyone. Amazing morning. Ano ba to? Ayan. Bakit nag-ano siya? Ayan. There, better. Watching from Green Hills. Pasay City. Amazing morning. Excited to watch your training. Magkakasama kayo sa cafe. Hi. Okay. Watching from Macau and Bataan. Wow, we have people from everywhere. It's so exciting. I hope most of you are are members na. Yung mga hindi pa member, dapat magpa-member na. From Oman, Israel, wow, Hong Kong, Japan. Kagagaling lang namin sa Japan. Ang lamig, grabe. Pero sobrang beautiful. Watching from Hawaii. Hello. We have now 542 people online. We'll give them a little more time. from Ilocos Sur. Hi, guys. Cavite. Jakarta, hello. Lebanon, wow, hello. Dubai, UAE, yes. We were there a few years ago when we opened the branch in Dubai. So beautiful there, grabe. Hello from Malaysia. Hello from Modena, Italy. May ano na tayo dyan, may IBC na tayo sa Italy. Hi, Daryl from Baguio. We're going to visit Baguio soon. Watching from Kuwait. Hi, Dasma Cavite. Okay. Brunswick. Watching from Germany, Jade. Hello, Jade. Watching from Bulacan. Hello. We are at 5:58 now. Okay, Quezon Province, Genova, Italy. Grabe, ang dami. Good morning, Erica. Hi, amazing morning na. Watching from Saudi, from Italy, Pangasinan, yes, Hong Kong, Agnes. Watching from Hong Kong, Lourdes, hi, amazing morning. Aklan, hello. Moena, amazing morning, guys. Watching from Japan, Quezon City. Okay, we're at 6:20. Malapit na. Tita Ton, watching from PH. Hi, Peach, na. Amazing morning from Abu Dhabi, Davao City, Hong Kong, Susan, hi. Camarines Sur, Harvey, hello. From Japan, Elena. Okay, 6:30 na tayo. Watching from London. Hello from London. Hi, guys. Amazing morning. Dami na natin. Going. Italy. Yes. We are building our teams up in Europe, which is good. Yeah. Antipolo City. Hello. Amazing morning. So we're at 6:50. I think I'll wait a couple more minutes and then we'll start na. Maryland, USA. Hello. New York, Cubao. All right. Batangas. Wow, from all over the world. Paris, France. Watching from Singapore, Shirley. Hi. Watching from Japan. Wow, galing. Madrid, Spain. Marilu. Okay, from Guam, Judith. Amazing morning. Okay, 670 na tayo, guys. Yes. Okay, I think, 684. Watching from Pasig. Amazing morning, everyone. U.S. Navy base at Bahrain. Wow. Lipa, Batangas. Siyempre, nakakatuwa lahat ng locals natin and then from all over the world. Yokosuka, Anne, from Japan. So encouraging to see all our members getting online. It's so important to learn about our products kasi pagka tayo tinatanong ng mga pinipresenta natin, at least meron tayong konting background sa binibenta natin, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, dumadami na yung products natin. Nakaka-confuse minsan as a buyer, di ba? Kung ano yung gusto nyong i-promote. So at least, if they say, ano yung gluten nyo, you have an idea what you're going to say, okay? Wow, Naga City, hello. Okay, we're almost at 700. From South Korea, hello po, Miles. Hello, Miles. From Hong Kong, amazing morning. From Japan, yes. Eto, saan na tayo? Ate Mai, sabi ni Rubilin, watch po tayo. I am excited. Yes, we are at 714. Konti na lang, mag-start na tayo. Watching from QC. 700 plus na sa screen. Yeah, 712 na nak. So, start tayo at 800. Okay? Amazing morning watching from Ireland. Wow, all the way from there. Amazing morning, everyone. Yes. Shout out Team Vikings, Josephine. Amazing morning. Ang hirap pala ng ganito, no? Kailangan talaga binabasa ko kayo kasi I can't hear anyone. Watching from Saudi, Ivy. Hi, Ivy. From Pasig, Jojo. Amazing morning. Jonas, Annalyn, Vivian, Angelica, watching from Taytay. Yes, hi. Watching from GGS. Wowie. Amazing morning. 7:37 na tayo. Okay, konti na lang. Amazing morning. Watching from Netherlands. Hello, Marilu. Watching from Nagcarlan. From New York. Hello. Hello po. From Antipolo City. Shout out Team Gravity from Susan. Holy Land, Israel. Wow. Hi, Roel. SJDM, Bulacan. Maricel. Okay, we are at 776. Konting-konti na lang. From Bicol po. Jonel may nagkot. I am watching. Okay. Amazing morning. Watching from Cavite. Hong Kong. Team Spark. From Alabang. Amazing morning. Shout out to Dream Team. Dami na nating team talaga, no? Grabe. Okay, guys. We have reached 800 officially. Eto na tayo. Are we ready? Thumbs up? Okay. Ready or not, we're starting. Okay. As I said earlier, I'm going to be reading from a script today para short and sweet tayo. And then, if you have any questions after, please follow my IG. It's maritoni.fernandez. And you can post your questions there or your feedback or kung meron kayong mas gusto na malaman about, during our product knowledges, dun ko i-base yung mga requests ninyo for the next product knowledge. Okay? Alright, so today, what we're going to talk about is our I Am Amazing White Advanced Whitening Glutathione Beauty Vitamins, which are made in New Zealand. It is 60 capsules per bottle, and it is, what we use is veggie caps. So, this is vegan. Vegan safe to. Okay? So, first of all, we decided to create this product for you guys because maraming glutathione products in the market already. And maraming member na syempre nagre-request na magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating gluta capsule. But because there's so much already in the market, we went to a pharmacist in New Zealand. Nagpagawa tayo ng medyo mas advanced kesa dun sa mga nasa market na as of today. Mas may laban tayo. Bakit? Kasi kinombine nila not only glutathione, but glutathione with several other things, okay? They included in our product cysteine, they included alpha-lipoic acid, methionine, vitamin E, riboflavin, and selenium. Now, magtataka kayo kung bakit nila pinagsama-sama yon. Sometimes, our bodies need kasi certain food supplements to support the main food supplement that we're trying to make our body absorb. Tulad ng, kunyari lang vitamin C. When you drink vitamin C in the morning, dapat iinumin nyo yon with some form of fat. So, either peanut butter, toasted butter, basta with some kind of fat. Kasi pag hindi nyo ininom yung vitamin C ninyo with fat, most of the vitamin C will not get absorbed by your body properly. So, what happens is your body just pees it out. So, sayang naman yung binayad niyo pambili ng vitamins. Okay? That is the same with our glutathione. What we did was we asked a pharmacist to formulate a capsule that combines all the things that will make our bodies absorb the glutathione much better. Okay, so I'm going to read to you the script, and if you have any questions, you can post them here in the chat group. I'll try to catch them later. If not, like I said, do it in my IG para I can go through it slowly one at a time. Okay? So our script today is about I Am Amazing White. Do you want to stay beautiful and healthy and your body shining from within all at once? Our latest product at I Am Worldwide promises to do just that. Welcome the latest addition to our amazing line of products, the I Am Amazing White Glutathione Beauty Vitamin made with vegetable capsules from New Zealand. What exactly is in our I Am Amazing White? First, it contains glutathione. Everybody seems to know what glutathione is these days. But do you really? We at I Am Worldwide broke it down to help you better understand why you need to take I Am Amazing White daily. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant found in every cell in the body. It is made of 3 types of molecules known as amino acids, glutamine, glycine, and cysteine. So, lahat po yun, antioxidants yun, and they are found in your body. Pero, ang problema is a lot of the times, the free radicals surrounding us like pollution or kung naninigarilyo ka, nawawala or nadideplete yung mga yun sa katawan natin. So, glutathione levels in the body may be reduced by a number of factors, including poor nutrition, environmental toxins, and stress. Its levels also decline with age, which in turn dries out our skin, makes our nails brittle, and turns our hair gray and lose its luster. So, nawawala yung kintab ng buhok natin as we age, di ba? So, glutathione has many important functions, but the main benefit of glutathione is that it reduces oxidative stress. So, what is oxidative stress? Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between the production of free radicals and antioxidants in your bodies. Think of them as good guy versus bad guy. Okay? So, free radicals are made by the body after exposure to toxins in the environment, such as pollution, smoking, o kaya being exposed too much under the sun. That's ultraviolet light. They have a lifespan of only a fraction of a second, but during that time, they can cause damage to your DNA. Sometimes, it causes mutation. These mutations are linked to multiple illnesses including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Ano naman ang antioxidant? Antioxidant is the food we eat, in the food that we eat, can neutralize the unstable molecules and reduce the chances of them causing damage. Our liver is the principal detoxifying organ where the balance between good and bad guy occurs. So, sa liver natin, yun yung oxidative and antioxidative balance, dun nangyayari. Okay? Oxidative stress ang tawag dun sa imbalance na yon. So, basically, nobody can escape oxidative stress. And the body has no ability of its own to fight them off unless we have elevated glutathione levels in our system, which raise our antioxidant levels, and the resistance to oxidative stress in our cells is achieved. So, glutathione is, in essence, converts the harmful toxins into harmless toxins, into harmless substances. So, parang yung pagkat tinake mo yung gluta mo, yung mga nagkukulang sa katawan mo, ninyo-neutralize niya yung bad effect. So far, so good? Yes? Thumbs up? Naintindihan nyo? Okay, yes. Okay. So, applied, okay. So, basically, no one can escape it nga. O, applied naman, i-apply naman natin siya sa cosmetics. Ang glutathione, alam natin, has an antioxidant effect and as a result, delays aging. Siyempre, pagka wala kang bad oxidizing effect sa katawan mo, hindi ka tatanda kagad. Another of its most known benefits, syempre, is yung kanyang whitening effect. Ngayon, yung whitening effect ng glutathione is actually, it happens through the inhibition of the production of melanin synthesis. So, yung melanin natin, lalo na tayong mga Pinoy, we have very high melanin in our skin, di ba? It basically suppresses it. Ang nangyayari doon, ini-eliminate niya yung reaction ng skin natin sa ultraviolet light. So, it reduces psoriasis, skin imperfections, produces an overall brighter complexion, which improves uneven skin tones. It has a beneficial effect for cystic acne or even the occasional breakout. So, kung madalas kang mapimple or ganyan, itong product natin super ganda. Kasi talaga, what it does is it lessens the melanin in your skin, in your natural state. Di ba? Kasi Pinoy tayo, normal sa atin ang mabilis mangitim sa araw, lalo na pag exposed. Not that it's anything wrong with that, but the thing is, of course, syempre, a lot of us find white beautiful. So, kung gusto mo mamuti, this is the number one way. Pangalawa, not only does it make you white, it also protects you from all the antioxidants and the damage that the sun does to our skin. Okay? In the field of medicine naman, there are numerous other health benefits associated with glutathione. It can effectively treat various liver diseases. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, na yung mga toxins na sa liver natin na store, ito lang ang way na maka-neutralize is to take talaga glutathione. Because what is in glutathione will actually contra whatever bad things are going through your liver. It helps fight against autoimmune diseases, rheumatoid arthritis, celiac disease, and lupus. It also reduces the impact of uncontrolled diabetes, as studies have shown that long-term high blood sugar is associated with reduced amount of glutathione. So, ang blood sugar mo, kayang pababain yung amount of sugar pag regular ka mag-take ng glutathione. Longevity researchers believe that glutathione is so pivotal to our health that the level of this antioxidant in your cells may be a predicator for how long you will live. Predictor for how long you will live. So basically, yung level ng antioxidant mo sa cell mo, malalaman mo kung how long ang lifespan mo. Ganun ka-importante ito. Second, okay, so let's talk about the other things that are in our product. Ito yung sinabi ko na, basically, kinreate ng pharmacist para maging more effective yung product natin. Kasi on its own, glutathione is good, but your body will probably wash out most of it if you don't have other things to bind it in your system. So one of them is the L-cysteine HCI. L-cysteine is an amino acid most needed to make glutathione in our bodies. So kung wala kang L-cysteine, yung body mo hindi magpaproduce ng glutathione on its own. It's also known to increase male fertility. O ayan, yung mga lalaki ha, tama na yung Viagra. Mag-amazing white na lang kayo. It helps. It does this by correcting DNA damage caused by oxidative stress, treating the impotence of men who may have poor semen quality. O, kita nyo? Meron pa pala nun. As people age, digestive issues like low stomach acid and gastroenteritis also become more prominent. L-cysteine supports digestive health and corrects this as well. Okay, apart from gluta and L-cysteine, meron din ang product natin ng alpha-lipoic acid. Ano ang alpha-lipoic acid? Ang alpha-lipoic acid naman is it can be eaten in food such as red meat, carrots, beets, spinach, broccoli, and potatoes. Pero ang hirap naman kung everyday kakain ka na marami nun. Especially sa ano natin, when you're working, you don't really have time to prepare the things that you really need, di ba, for your system. Because alpha-lipoic acid seems to work like an antioxidant, it might provide protection to the brain and also help in certain liver disease. Ito na naman tayo sa recurring thing na it really protects against liver disease, okay? That's the main thing of glutathione. It really prevents liver disease. Okay, people most commonly use alpha-lipoic acid for nerve pain in people with diabetes. It is also used for obesity, altitude sickness, o yung mga may nahihilo pagka bumabiyahe, aging skin, high levels of cholesterol, or other fats in the blood, and many other purposes. But there is no good, there's no other good product that works as well as L-cysteine with glutathione. Okay, so next, metathione. Ay, hindi, methionine pala. L-methionine, a nutritional supplement required for normal growth and repair of body tissue. Methionine is an essential amino acid, again, found in meat, fish, and dairy products. Amino acids are the building blocks, which I explained earlier, used to make protein. So, kung wala kang amino acids, hindi magbibuild ng protein ang katawan mo. Methionine is also, it cannot be made by the body. Oh, okay. So, it has to be consumed in your diet or in your supplement. So, you need this. Okay? It plays an important role in many functions within the body. It also acts as an antioxidant and protects damaging your tissues. People use methionine for preventing birth defects. It's also used again for liver disorders, viral infection, breast cancer, and many other conditions. Okay, so next natin that we have here is vitamin E. If you notice, all of the ingredients that we have that make up our capsules actually support one another, and they pretty much do pretty much the same thing. The only problem is what one cannot accomplish, the other one kind of helps it para nagiging buo yung effect sa katawan mo. Okay? So, next is vitamin E. Alam naman natin, vitamin E is an important vitamin required for having healthy hair, skin, and nails. Again, it supports the whole beauty idea of whitening. But this one, aside from whitening, it's also, di ba, when you have less glutathione in your body nga, the aging process is faster. So, syempre, it helps also in having healthy hair, skin, nails, and it prevents swelling and build-up of fat in the liver. So, yung mga taong may fatty liver, this is a very good thing to take daily. It also prevents premenstrual syndrome and dysmenorrhea. Ayan, that's another thing. We have another product that actually does that, no? If I'm not mistaken, that's one of the benefits also of our Tongkat coffee. So, you can take that if you're prone to premenstrual syndrome and dysmenorrhea. As a result, anxiety is reduced. So, our cravings and depression. So, di ba pagka nagpi-PMS ka, tendency is nagiging lethargic, medyo nadidepress, parang wala kang gana to do anything, tapos may pain, di ba? So, it also causes less blood loss during your menstrual cycle. Okay? And that is part of what this does, which is with the vitamin E. Okay. Marami pa yung vitamin E pero I won't mention those things anymore. It prevents, the important things. It prevents genetic disorder in very low-weight premature infants. Vitamin E is also used for many other conditions. Okay, we'll talk further about that in the future. Okay, riboflavin. Meron tayo, riboflavin ba to? Or riboflavin. Also known as vitamin B2, which is a water-soluble vitamin that is flushed out of the body daily. So, it must be restored. So, araw-araw pala, nawawala yung vitamin B mo sa katawan. There's no way to retain it. So, every day you have to replenish what is in your body. It regenerates the skin and improves your eyesight. Eating a diet rich in riboflavin can lower the risk of developing cataracts. Good to know. In those suffering from migraines, taking doses of vitamin B2 helped. So, kung if you are a migraine former, this product will help you. Okay. A study by the Department of Neurology in Berlin found that those taking riboflavin had significantly fewer migraines. Yes. Last but not least, selenium. Okay. Ang selenium is one of the main benefits is that it supports thyroid health. Notice ko kasi dito sa Philippines, ang dami-daming taong nagkakaroon ng thyroid problem. And then they have to take all these drugs and you can just take, supplements, okay? One of the main benefits of selenium is that it supports the regulation of iodine, which the thyroid needs for the growth of hair and nails. Supporting your glow from within starts with a hair, skin, and nail vitamin. And with our new latest product, I'm Amazing White, you can be confident that you are getting everything you need in order to stay healthy, youthful, and glowing from within. Okay? So, last words on selenium. It attracted a lot of attention with the medical authorities because it protects the cell from damage again, and it reduces the odds of prostate cancer. So selenium it also helps in colorectal and lung cancer. Okay, so it also prevents melanoma or skin cancer. Yeah. So this is the benefits of our I Am Amazing White. Guys, it's a pretty amazing product. And to think that it took us almost 1 year to come up with this because we didn't want to give you just any glutathione product. We really wanted to give you something that gives you an edge to the current market. Kasi ang dami-dami ng competition, di ba, ng glutathione. Pero ang hindi kasi nila ginagawa is pinag-aaralan muna yung anong pwedeng gawin nitong product na to for you other than just to whiten your skin. Whitening your skin is a good thing for some people who want it, but we wanted to bring out into our market, as we always do in all of our IM products, something that will give you an edge on what is already out in the market. So I hope you learned something. Like I said, this script will be out soon in an animated version. Si Lexi is the voiceover, so you'll enjoy it and mas madaling ma-explain sa mga tao na pinipresenta ninyo kung ano yung laman ng ating Amazing White multivitamin, beauty vitamin. Okay? So, again, thank you so much. Amazing morning to all of you. Don't forget, maritoni.fernandez. That's my personal IG, but it's open to the public. So, makikita nyo doon all that I do every day. And it's a form of diary. So, if you want to chat with me and let me know your thoughts, or Lexi and I are going to start a blog soon. And we will tackle some issues on that. It's like a little script thing every day that we're going to do, and we're going to post it on YouTube. So let us know if there are things you want us to talk about, specifically about our products, about how it has helped me personally, or how my friends, my personal friends, and people in my life actually use it. Of course, this is our business. We will always bring it back to the center, which is to help you gain more clients and with the best knowledge that is possible for me to impart to you para makatulong ako sa inyo lagi. God bless you. I am amazing. Your Barley Queen lagi, and I will always be here for you. Anong mga question nyo so far? Wala pa naman, no? Wala. Thank you so much and God bless you also. Amazing morning again. Konting babasahin ko na lang yung iba. So, let me go back a little bit. Yes, follow po. Okay. Anong age po pwede mag-take? Very good question. Actually, by FDA standards kasi, it's really 18 and above. Okay? Yung barley natin, kung tutuusin, wala yung age. Pero syempre, ang FDA kasi natin dito, sobrang stricto. So we have to follow that by putting it in our product label talaga na we cannot have it unless 18 and above. So, for me, as long as it's regulated by a parent, I don't think there's a problem with this. Wag lang kayo mag-overboard. As far, nakasulat naman dito sa that you can take 2 to 3 cups per day. So, wag nyo lang iinumin siguro na 10 capsule in one day and you should be fine. What else? How many ang iinumin per day na gluta? Yun na nga, 2 to 3 per day ang nakasulat dito. Okay? Remember that this was formulated by a pharmacist in New Zealand. So, yun ang recommended niya. So, dun tayo mag-base. Okay? Pwede po ba sa may goiter? I think, di ba yun yung nakasulat dito, good for yung sinulat kanina. Alam nyo, it's good for thyroid. So, I guess that's goiter is part of that, di ba? Pero alam nyo, if in doubt, barley. Hello, yung barley natin is good for everything, okay? SRP, I have no idea. You have to go and ask our distributors for the SRP and the member price. Peach, maybe if you're there, you can post here the SRP natin for the product. Thank you, Den. Thank you so much. Pwede po ba sa nagbe-breastfeeding? You know what? I wouldn't suggest it. No. Ang pwede sa nagbe-breastfeed natin, obviously, is our barley. Okay? Pwede pong isabay sa mga maintenance? Yes, yan ang pwede. Pwedeng pwede. It will not conflict with anything. Who cannot take the Amazing White? I would suggest don't take it if you're pregnant because whatever you take for yourself will go to your breast milk. Unless you're not breastfeeding, then it should be fine. Diba? Amazing. Can we take Amazing White with the barley? You can take it together. There's no there's no time lapse that you need to take. But if I were you, I'd take the barley first, always on an empty stomach. Okay? No, wag niyong inumin with breastfeeding, like I said earlier. Safe ba sa liver? Yes, this is for your liver. Okay? Tuloy-tuloy po ba mag-take? Yes, tuloy-tuloy ang take. Walang limit to na 3 months. Okay? You can take it with your other maintenance meds. No problem. Before or after meals, it doesn't matter. SRP is 2,950 apparently. Ayan, ayan, si Peach. Thank you, Nak. And then, for distributor's price, it is, sino ba yun? Wala na. 1,475. So, mag-member na kayo. Imagine, laki ng savings. Wow, that's a lot of savings. That's half price almost, or more. Yeah. SRP 2,950. DP 1,475. Wow, that's a lot. Mag-member na nga kayo. Because it's super worth it. Ilan ang max na pwede inumin per day? Well, it says here 2 to 3 capsules per day. So, that's what I would recommend. Okay? Like I said, it is a pharmacist that ang nag-ano nito. So, wag natin kontrahin. Sa mga puyat po, yes, no problem yan. It's good for your is it good to take with Immunergy? Yes, it's good to take with Immunergy. Just for the record, when we create products, all our products can be taken, hindi porke may nagtitake na ng one product, hindi na pwede yung another product. Every product that we create allows you to take them all simultaneously without bad side effects to your system. Okay? The only thing that I have to remind you is use your discretion. Kasi syempre, may mga bata, may mga anak kayo, may mga family members kayo. Now, don't leave your mga vitamins like this hanging around the house na reachable. Kasi baka mamaya laklakin nila. it's also not good, even for us, to take, too much of one thing all of a sudden. Okay? Yes, pwede sa mga diabetic to. So just be cautious. Yung barley natin is good for all ages hanggang from birth to death. So that is not a problem. And again, there's no limit to our barley. So if in doubt, barley. If you want to go with our other products, this is a very good product for people who have fatty liver, who have problems with your thyroid, yung mga yan. And antioxidant siya talaga. I personally take this daily. I add it to my multivitamins, which is also from our Immunergy and my barley. So, this also helps, by the way, to prevent mga singaw. And I'm very prone to that. So, this is what I take and it really helps. Itatry ko po. Yes, okay, go. How many caps per bottle po? 60 capsules. And it's veggie cap. So, it's pwede sa mga vegetarian. Okay? Thank you so much again. Mauna na ako. God bless you all. And please continue to spread hope. And remember that the purpose for our doing business is not only to earn money, but also to help many people stay healthy. Walang kwenta ang wealth mo kung hindi ka healthy. Tandaan nyo yan. I will continuously be here for each and every one of you. Please don't forget Maritoni.Fernandez if you have any questions outside of what we answered today. And what else can I say? Next, in a couple of weeks, we will have another product knowledge seminar. Quickly, I just saw, yes, pwede sa mga acidic to. And yes, pwede to sa seniors. So, that's it. I will go ahead. God bless you all, more power, and always remember, I remain your faithful Barley Queen. God bless. I am amazing worldwide members and distributors. Bye.